Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel iTunes subscription ship. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, the first thing, go to the settings app of your mobile phone. Once you have got this kind of interface in this area, you're gonna go ahead tap on your profile icon on top. Once you have tapped on it, you will find this kind of settings available here, which you will tap on this option called subscriptions, below payment and shippings. And here in this section you will be able to access all of the subscriptions that you have been using from all of the apps in your mobile phone. If you would like to turn off this renewal receipts, which will simply turn off all of the renewal plans that you have for every services, you don't have to go to each apps. But if you want to go for iTunes, you can simply go ahead tap on that iTunes app and then simply go ahead tap on this cancel membership. That will be below, state your reason, and you will be able to cancel your membership from that app from your mobile itself in the settings option. So this will be it, guys. That is the way for you to do it. Simply coming to settings icon, tapping your settings app, coming to your profile section and tapping on subscription will be it for you. This is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on our next video.